What is going on, everybody? It's Carl here, and today is going to be more like a maintenance video. We're going to be working on the Snowmobile trailer, so I got to go out and buy a new coupler, as the one I have is kind of rusty, and in the winter it likes to stick quite a bit, which is kind of annoying. So it'd be nice to have one that works flawlessly. Also, I'm going to be looking for a chain kit, the safety chains, because they're kind of rusty on there right now, and kind of sucks when you don't have gloves on, you touch them, and then your hands are full of rust. You know, it's kind of annoying. And then also, I'm going to be looking for a spare tire mounting kit. I have one on there, but it doesn't exactly fit the small snowmobile like trailers wheels. Like on snowmobile trailers, they're a lot smaller and wider. So maybe I'll see if Northern Tool has them there. If not, then I'll probably just have to order those, order that online. But other than that, that's kind of what we're going to be doing today. And probably I'll take the trailer out to go get a wash, because it hasn't been washed since last year, and it's full of sand and salt. And it would just be nice to get it cleaned up before the actual start of snowmobile season. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to head to Northern Tool. Actually, first I'm going to measure the width of the trailer tongue, and then we can head to Northern Tool. All right, we made it to Northern Tool, so let's go in and see what they got. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you the haul that we decided to buy at Northern Tool. So starting off, we got a pack of 4 socks. I'm going to give these a shot in the winter. They were only 13 bucks. They were in the clearance section, and it comes with a hat that I don't know, maybe I'll use it as a work hat. Not really sure, but we'll see. But anyways, I bought a quick lock coupler. I was thinking about going with the class 4, you know, it's a little beefier, but I realized it's just a snowmobile trailer. It doesn't really matter. Like, you know, it's not like we're going to be towing a lot of weight on it anyways, because it's only like a 1,500 pound axle. So, yep, so this will do. And also, what we got for safety chains is I got these ones that are coated with nylon. I think these are going to be better for like wintertime and all that, because they're going to be protected by nylon, so they should last a lot longer. They shouldn't get as dirty and rusty, and you know, these should work out pretty good. And I mean, they got a 5,000 pound capacity, which is plenty too. And last but not least, I wasn't planning on buying one, but I couldn't say no. They had these on sale. I think it's a 6-inch or a 5-inch wheel. This is a Marine. Oh, I could probably flip it over for you. It doesn't really say what size the wheel was, but it's a 1,000 pound bolt-on, you know, Marine swivel jack. So, you know, it's got the big wheel on it. That's kind of nice, because then everything rolls better and everything. You can go over rocks and stuff like that a lot easier. So yeah, it was on sale, so I couldn't say no. But we're gonna put all this stuff on and see how it goes. We are back at the house, so I gotta grab some tools. I'm gonna guess we're gonna need the standard sockets and maybe some standard wrenches. And well, hopefully those are right, because I don't want to walk all the way back. But the trailer's out front, in front of the house, so gotta take the tools with me. So I guess that's what we're gonna go with here. Is we'll just probably take a little extendy ratchet here with these sockets, and then we'll grab some wrenches, and hopefully we got the right size. Which drawer? I always forget which drawer that I need to go in, but maybe I'll just grab the whole thing. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. Just grab the whole tray. All right, so I got an update for you guys here. So I got the new trailer tongue jack on, and instead of putting it where it was back farther. I moved it up all the way as far as I could, because that's going to give me more room. I need to buy another spare tire kit, like I said, mounting kit, and I think I'll move that forward, because then it'll make it easier to get the salt shield on the front. Also, I had to run to the hardware store, because some of these bolts were I don't know where they are. Oh, they're right here. I mean, they look pretty bad. So I bought new grade 8 hardware, and then these are going to be the new safety chains I was talking about, and they're going to look pretty nice. The only question I have, though, is this piece was on the inside of the rail, and I'm not sure if it went to one of the bolts for the actual, what you want to call it, trailer latch, or if it was to the bottom one, but I don't think so. I think it was for the bigger bolts, and I think it just kind of sat there. You know, I don't think this wasn't really bolted down tight or anything that much. So yeah, so well, I'm gonna get I think it's gonna be easier to do the chains first, and then we'll do the top and go from there. So, but first what I gotta do is I want to clean off the sticker. I don't like having stickers on, so I'll go get some lacquer thinner or something, and we'll soak that and it should come right off. All right, everybody, so here is where I'm at. So I had all the safety chains and everything bolted up, and it was looking nice, and then I went to go put on the tongue itself, and what do you know, look at the difference. So if you were to level this out, right, so the top is matching, you could see these holes are a lot closer to the top than over here. And also this is longer, so this gets in the way to where the bolt is for the safety chains. So I'm gonna have to figure out where that hole is on each side, cut a little notch out so the bolt can go through and we can bolt the chains in. But then also, I think what I'm gonna do is I gotta elongate the holes on the trailer to match where these holes line up. You know, I've went back and forth debating if I should modify this and keep the trailer the way it is, or if I should just modify the trailer to this. And what I've come up with is I'll just modify the trailer to these holes, because if I ever have to buy another one, you just buy the same brand, it'll be the same bolt pattern. And also, you know, if you elongate the holes up, you know, this is sitting flat, flush, you know, the bolts can't go any higher, so it should work out fine. So I guess that's what we're gonna do. I didn't realize when I bought this that was gonna be a lot of messing around for this, honestly. So I guess, yeah, I'm just gonna modify the trailer with a die grinder, and away we go. We got the tongue mounted on, which is great. Everything fits nice. So now we can do the safety chains. I just wanted to make sure everything fit. So what I can do is I'm just gonna unbolt the top, and then I think instead of notching out the bottom to make room for that bolt hole, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna re-drill a new hole instead. Let's just make it easier that way. You know, I came to my senses, so yeah, let's do that. Here is the final product. So I was able to hog out these holes, and it seemed to actually work pretty good. It's really nice and solid, which is awesome. And then also I was able to drill out a hole on each side for the safety chain bolts, and that went in there pretty nicely. And now, man, I'm actually pretty happy with these safety chains. They look nice. You know, they're not going to dangle on the floor, you know, so they're not going to rot on the ground or anything. Yeah, everything came together pretty nicely, and I'm actually pretty happy with it. So actually what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go just test fit everything. I just want to see where these chains are going to sit, if they're going to be in the way, you know, if they're going to be down, because I don't know exactly where they will mount. Somewhere in here, right? But we don't know where. So I just want to go test fit, make sure nothing's going to be excessively rubbing or anything like that. And I think we'll call it a day, honestly. And the only thing I need now is a new cotter pin for the lever, but it's nice when you have a brand new tongue, because the lever and the spring is working pretty nicely. So this is sweet. All right, let's go test fit it. So I got the trailer attached to my truck, and as you can see, everything fits pretty nicely. And since we are, you know, since we had to test fit everything, it was a good opportunity to test out all the lights. So all the identification lights work on the side, you know, for the width of the trailer. You know, we got the yellow, the red, and off the back, our blinkers are working right off the bat. I'm gonna assume brake lights are working, and we got our 3 lights in the center working as well. So that's pretty nice. So now I know it's ready to go, because I got to use it on, I'm guessing, this coming Saturday. When you see this video, I'll probably already picked up what I had to pick up. But I did make another purchase, so those of you that are into hunting and fishing, you're going to want to check this video out. But thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. See you in the next one.